Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to delete your username on WhatsApp. Here's how to do it. Open your WhatsApp app, navigate to you at the bottom right corner, and you have to go to account settings. Click on accounts. Here you have to click on username. Now click on edit at the top right corner. You're going to see an option to delete username. Click on it. It says if you continue, your phone number will be shown in existing chats and calls instead of your username. So if you proceed with this, it means your phone number will be shown in chats instead of your usernames. So if you want to delete your username, just simply click on delete and the username will be gone. So that's how you delete your username on WhatsApp. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.